Sir, yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
All right, given an order you disagree with, how would you handle?
I
We
will.
you go first.
You.
I will obey to my higher rank up before doing order, or they giving me a order job. I will do it because that's the higher up.
Even I am disagree. I will do it because this is my work, sir.
We avoid any reprimanded again or demoted to make my working or RP better and good, and no one will happen, and it will not happen again. That's all.
If I got demoted, I will learn and got nothing and just a learning lesson.
All right, if promoted to a leadership role, how would you guide and discipline lower rank?
I will use the guide from the situation of being high rank, and I will use it properly. I will conquer the the statistic situation, the different matters. That's all, sir.
I will be guide the lower ranks to improve themselves and guide.
What does loyalty mean to you as a soldier?
Loyalty is not given even if you are high level or low level. Loyalty is given to the if you have to do if you do RP properly and you obey the rules in a different situation. That's all, sir.
Loyalty is give respect to all co-soldiers and bring um protect civilians and do my work and give my 100% of it.
Got any questions, Mr.
Say what again, sir? I'm active daily, sir, depending on the situation that I have in real life. But if I have activities in real life, I will message to the Discord to know that I'm not that I will do activities like that. That's all, sir.
I am active daily more than 5 hours, but it depends if I am busy. But if I am not, I'm online 5 hours or more than.
Um, to know what RP means and to improve myself in role play gaming. That's all, sir.
Um, for me is to do a good thing more than bad thing, cause and protect civilians, and of course learn RP a lot. So that's all.
Yep, I ain't got any more questions. I'm quick.
took I took one too.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir.